All right, here we are at Colfax High Mill and Wood Shop doing some custom fabrication. It's kind of a cool design and build project. A friend of mine brought in this template. This is a fin. What's it a fin for?
It's a breakaway fin for a side scan sonar for underwater exploration. And bottom mapping.
So these fins the tolerances aren't that tight, but it has to be pretty accurate because it clicks into place. This little front piece here clicks, and you push this into a notch, and then it locks here. And they're deliberately designed, rather than breaking the attachment points, the fin itself breaks off. So here's our template. This is a laser cut wood template. It actually worked out just right, so that was our test piece. Then we came over to Mastercam X9. The metal shop teacher ended up drawing this off of that template, and then I just tool pathed it. We're cutting. What kind of board are we cutting it out of?
It's starboard plastic, polypropylene plastic.
And it's a plastic. It's a maritime plastic, so it's completely good underwater. The only downside was when we tried to laser cut it, it all melt. So there's our tool pathing right there. I'll show you what the tool path looks like here, or the verification. And we'll go out in the shop and run it and see how that goes. Actually, first we have to take all of that vector information and convert it to numeric code. So that's called post-processing. And then that's actually what the CNC runs, is that G code right there. So that's the code we're running. We'll go out in the shop and run it on our Techno CNC. So we ran a few. They're actually running really nice and clean. I'm actually cutting at 200 inches per minute in 2 different passes. I'm actually getting no burning, no chipping. They're really clean cuts. I fixtured this plastic down with my Raptor plastic nails. These things are beautiful. And here's my attachment points where I just nailed the board down. Alright, now that I got my materials and my test run, so the first is actually to build a wood prototype, make sure that's going to fit, and then once that worked, then we ran a few on the CNC, probably, I don't know, 5 or so, got them just right, depth of cuts right, feed rate so we don't burn or chip, and now I'm just running a program to run multiple ones, so like 15 per sheet, with all the feed rates that I had set before. So this is a new program. I just finished tool pathing it. I'm going to use that same cutter. That worked out really well, and the same feed rates right there, step rates. And then I'll post this into the code, and then we'll go ahead and run these as well. Here's a verification. Okay, so there's the final run, a batch run right there. Kind of a fun project from design to prototyping to another prototyping, and then a batch run. So thanks for watching.